Removing values is a little bit different. Now, I don't want to just change the value to 0. That doesn't remove it from the list. If I want to remove it from the list, I am going to use a method called pop. And I'm going to give it the index of the value that I want to remove here. And in this case, I am going to give it the key that I want to remove if it's a dictionary. So list is index, dictionary is always a key to do anything to those values. Now, what this does, you'll notice that I am assigning that, the result of this, to a variable. Pop returns the variable, returns the value of whatever you remove. So when I pop something, if I pop orange from that list, it actually returns it. And if I can just let it disappear if I want to, or I can capture it into a variable and then actually do something with it. If I use the delete keyword, delete arrfruit.1, it just goes away. Pop will return something. Delete does not. Those are two different ways to remove it. Okay? So pop and delete, as far as the array go, do the same thing, but pop will return the value that you removed. The nice thing about pop is that you can use that to simultaneously take a variable off of a list or take a value off of a list and then do something with it. So if you use that in a for loop, you can use that to iterate through the list and do something with each value. Age, if I use pop with this, age will no longer exist there and I will return this value. If I use delete, same thing happens, but I don't return anything. Okay, again, for the dictionary, I'm using the key. For the list, I'm using the index.